All right, another day, another nothing. I don't know. I got a Tig Welder today. That's just the stuff for the Tig Welder. I didn't get a really expensive Tig Welder. I've just never had one before, and I've always wanted one. And, so I just got one of those AHP 110-220 And, my dumbass, I didn't stop by the welding supply store on the way to my parents' house to work on stuff today, so I have no argon, no tungsten, and no filler rods. So there's gonna be no TIG welding for me today. But today, we're gonna work on the IX. I know I said I had it for sale, but I pulled it off. Yeah, I showed it this past Saturday, and there's just some stuff that needs to get addressed on there that I haven't fixed yet. Like, I am going to try to put a brake booster in. I'm going to try to address the power steering. The pump seems to be on its way out, but we'll think of something for that later. I'm going to wrap the downpipe, redo the oil drain, and clean up the wiring harness. And then, exciting stuff too. Where did I put it? Oh snap. I lose stuff really fast. Ah, here it is. I got a 3-port boost solenoid. So we'll have some boost control now. So instead of having a bad boost creep, hopefully we'll get rid of that. And the Mega Squirt can handle that just fine. Yeah, so I'm probably just gonna time-lapse me taking apart the engine bay, and I might get a little carried away with what I'm taking apart, so see you guys in a bit. Alright, we got the turbo, the downpipe, and the wastegate off. I also have taken off the super duper leaky oil drain. God, look at this shit. What was I thinking? Sometimes, got some new stuff to reroute the drain for this. I'm gonna change up how it mounts into the front timing cover. I tapped the front timing cover because at the time I didn't have a TIG welder. I literally just bought one. I think I showed it at the beginning of the video. Even though it's like not the most expensive unit, I'm still excited to get to relearn how to TIG weld. It's been like almost 10 years since I've TIG welded, which is a long time actually. And yeah, so got some leaks in some spots for exhaust stuff. There's one little pinhole in the downpipe. Yes, I MIG welded this. That's why there's so much splatter, and this is aluminized. It's what I had. Sometimes when you're just building stuff, you just go with what you got. Oh, there it is. You can see that little pinhole. We're gonna fill her in, grind it down, and clean her up and fill her in, and then clean everything up. And I think I'm gonna get some high temp primer. I'll prime the dump tube, and then we're gonna wrap it. Take care of some heat management. I have a cheap turbo blanket for that too, but I haven't decided if we're gonna use that or not yet. Oh, naturally that would happen. I would do something dumb like not put my oil drain in a location. It's just kind of, yeah, there we go. At least it's not gonna drip all over my wrenches anymore. Good job, Adam. Yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. Just kind of chugging along. Never wrapped a downpipe before, so we'll see how this goes. Kind of want to pull the intake manifold because I want to make sure that the oil feed isn't leaking. I have the back of the banjo bolt to the Vanos solenoid. I have it tapped with an AN fitting in the back of it, and then I have this AN line running from there, and we need to do some P-clips. We need to do some line management. Probably run some P-clips to the valve cover bolts or something like that. And then wash everything. I think things are pretty dirty at the moment. We need to clean up that wiring too. And we'll kind of go from there. Yeah, I'll catch you guys up in a little bit. I unplugged the battery in my S54 car because you can't even see it from here. I don't know why, but it likes to throw codes for the throttle position sensors, and if both of them are going bad or one of them consistently goes bad, it's usually just the gas pedal, which is a really dumb thing to go bad. I actually like electronic throttle, and you can't tell on this car, but at the same time, it can be really annoying sometimes. So unplug the battery, hopefully to just do a reset of all the codes if there are any codes that are stored, or those DTCs are really freaking annoying. Oh, that's my dad's RX-7. Yeah, so since I got a Tig Welder, I got some plans for this now. Shifter wise, we're gonna do a body mounted shifter for this. Right now it's just using the stock carrier and stuff. This is a Z3 1.9, and like, it's better than stock, but like, I'm still not happy with the throw. The S54 car has a Z4. I can't remember if it was a 2.5 or 3.0. But I really like the throw on that one. It's for a stock shifter, it's really nice and short, and it's not too notchy. Not that I hate notchy, but it feels pretty good on that one. I like that one. But, all right, well, let's get back to work and catch you guys up in a little bit. Alright, I'm going home. I got more accomplished than I thought I was going to. I got the downpipe wrapped. Here we go. I'm not going to touch it because it is actually fiberglass. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I mean, like, there's some gaps right there. Probably could have done better, but first time. And yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to go to get some welding supplies so I can start TIG welding. So excited. Probably gonna pull the pan off of this at some point soon to weld in a spot for like a dipstick tube, because I'd like to know how much oil is in it, or if it's consuming, or those are like important things. Anywho, just closing it out. Yeah, if you like what you're seeing, please like or subscribe or something. Just trying to see where this goes, I guess. So I don't have a lot of money, and everything I do, I do myself for the most part, and so it takes some time to buy some parts, so just bear with me. Like the TIG welder, I've been wanting TIG welder for freaking since I started TIG welding 10 years ago. Anyway, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Yeah.